This is a question from a CCEA Pure Maths AS level past paper. This is from 2021, and this is the final question on the paper. It is question 10. So let's take a wee look. Solve this. So we need to multiply this out. It's going to give us 8 minus 4e to the x minus 2e to the x. So that's minus 6e to the x. And then multiplying these, the 2 minus disappear, plus, so that's e to the x squared, which we can write as e to the 2x, and that's less than 1. Rearranging this gives me e to the 2x minus 6 e to the x, and then taking the 1 from both sides, plus 7 is less than 0. I'm going to then put that equal to 0 and solve the quadratic, and we'll solve then from there. I'm also going to let y equal e to the x. We can rewrite this, incidentally, as e to the x all squared. So letting that, I'm going to have then y squared minus 6y plus 7 equals 0. Different ways of solving this. I'm going to complete the square. So we'll have then y minus 3 all squared. That gives me an extra 9 that I don't want. So minus 9 plus 7 is 0. That means y minus 3 all squared. So that's minus 2. So that's going to be 2. Taking the square root, I get y minus 3 is plus or minus root 2. That means y is 3 plus or minus root 2. E to the x then is 3 plus or minus root 2. And then x is going to be ln 3 plus or minus root 2. This quadratic here is a U shape. We want to know where this is less than 0, so it's going to be in between then those two. This is really from, I guess, GCSE further. So that means we take the smallest one. So that means x is going to be ln 3 minus root 2 in between there, and then ln 3 plus root 2. Fair amount going on there at the end as your two different solutions, and solving then as a quadratic. And as we know, it's a linear it's a quadratic inequality effectively. So if we were to kind of plot this, kind of crosses here and here, those are those 2 points, which are what we have here then.